Hello guys, and today we're playing a random game called Slime. Swiggly, really swiggly slime. You can change the color. I want it like bluish. Purple, blue, bluish. I need to collect that green. So what you do here is just you can shake things, you can change colors, backgrounds. First, you can change the force of return, max tension. You can even change the music of the slime. As you can see, my screen is cracked, so I can't do 6. So let's skip to 5. That doesn't even sound like slime even. What even is that noise? I'm going to try and scribble. So please download this game. It's really satisfying. What does this button do? What? No! Add. What? It does this? Watch to unlock, yes. Flow one line. You failed once again. What? I just watched this ad. And you said you failed once again. That's really weird. Okay guys, I'm sick, so I want to get the sand color. Oh! Super satisfying. No, I'm just going to leave it like this. Oh, a crystal. Give me it. I want it. No. Actually, yes. 4. What's it sound like? Ew, squiggly, squaggly noise. Look how many coins I have. It's 2,829. 2,829. Give me the crystal. Oh yes, X2. Oh my goodness, no, these just pop ads. What? How did you do that? Oh, a GD. What? What the heck? Rainbow. Toy Brick Crush. No, I don't want to download this game. Even with the heart, I really don't want to download it. Oh yes, it's 2X Crystal. Starbase. This better be Star Wars. This better be Star Wars. This better be. No wait, no it's not. Con. Star Trek. I thought it was Star Wars, but instead it was Star Trek. Star Trek. What? A crystal. Oh my goodness, 96. Now I have over like, how many coins I have is 2,925. Whatever, so yeah. So yeah. This is a part 1, guys. So please watch for more parts. There are like going to be 8 parts. And also a bonus part 2. 8 parts and a bonus part. I really love this game. It's so slimy, squiggly, 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 Oh wait, 99. I need 100 now. Guys, just wait for Crystal. Wait for the video. It's going to say you at the captions. Yes. Yes, I got one. I need one. I missed it. Dang it. No. Yes. Yay, I have 100. Finally. Let's change the music. Ugh. That music doesn't sound good. Okay, the two X crystals and the 2X coins are almost out. 101 crystals. What the what? Okay, this is only a short, so 2. I don't like that noise. You can see my screen is cracked. The slime is making me more sick. It's gonna make me poop. I have constipation. So I have to do restore the wax. Oh yes. If you reach level 2, you're literally master. No one cares. Clear. Grass cut. No. Now to 1. What? I can't do 1. Let's just watch this advertisement. No! I have to tap. Tappity. No one even cares. Cause this is just an ad. Oh, coin. I need 1,000. Give me it. No. I hate that. No. I want to do this. What? I can't press it. I can't press 6 and 1. Well, for normal, it sounds like this. What? It's still, no. This is unacceptable. A, B, C. After I sing the slimy song, I'll finish this video. Slime everywhere. There is slime everywhere. There is slime. Slime. There's slime everywhere. Slime. Slimy. Slime. LOL. Slime. The end. So, bye, everyone.